Ayan. Happy weekend, everyone! For today's video, guys, ayan, this is my fashion for today. Ayan, guys, ito naman yung aking outfit for today. Outfit pambahay, guys. Ayan, I really love this. Ayan, oh. Ayan guys, one of my favorite color ay yellow color guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, alam nyo ba kung magkano lang to siya guys? For only 150 pesos. So, di ba ang ganda niya guys? 150 lang. Ayan, pwede na siyang pangrampa guys. Pwede na siyang panglakad. Ayan, ito yung aking pambahay outfit for today. O, di ba ang ganda guys? Pak na pak yan. Ang ano guys, ayan, feeling model na naman ako. Ayan. Ang sarap mag-model-model guys, di ba? Ayan. So, ayun po. Ayun, feeling bagets na naman ako guys. Ayan po yung aking favorite color. Color yellow. Ayan. Pack na pack yan guys. I really love it.